Should I launch exact match campaigns on long tail keywords? And then it gives me the keywords, or should I launch exact match on generic keyword? So really important. Again, I'm not recommending anything besides whenever you're coming down to strategy, you have to know what is your goal and what is your budget. If your budget permits you to go for specific keywords that are broader keywords, but you want to generate more traffic, keep in mind, if it's a broad, more generic keyword, you're competing against all the people who are using the same broad, more generic keyword, even if it's highly relevant. Now, if it's a longer tail keyword, it's really important. What is the search volume for that? Because if your search volume is too low for that, and if you're in product launch phase, doesn't matter how high you're bidding, because you're not going to get the eyeballs that you want for that keyword to convert. So what I would do in this case is I would be very curious to see where do you categorize yourself, because if, for example, if you would have more generic keyword and you would target that more generic keyword, yet you're getting more traction from it and you have a competitive advantage. Example, your product is showing up and you are cheaper, your listing looks better, it does answers all the questions that one might have when considering that product, you might actually have better sales or better conversion on something that is more generic instead of something that is super specific. So what I would do in this case, I would honestly just run both of them and see where do I convert better. I would run both of them because both of the keywords that you gave are highly relevant for your product still, and then see which one converts quicker, which one has a higher CPC, which one is something that actually is generating sales. Because keep in mind, we are so much overthinking when your question is, hey, how do I competitively compare to anyone who's selling with that keyword?